Soundcloud Horizon. And this is the 4 Peaks Trail Run. Morning guys, today we're doing the 4 Peaks Trail. Jesus, it's a little bumpy, but yeah, it's a 15 to 20 mile long trail. It's close to the Phoenix area, so it's not too far from home. That's why it's nice to come here and kind of explore the area. I haven't been here in a few years actually. The last time I was here, I believe I still had a Grand Cherokee, a WJ. So it's been a little while. The trail itself is not really anything particularly hard. It's just pretty much a bumpy road. It has, you know, it's pretty straightforward. No obstacles really, but there are areas that you can explore that have, you know, obstacles. I believe there's some buggy trails out here as well. I'm not familiar with any of them, but yeah, it's a beautiful area. You start off in the desert and you end up in the pines, so that's what actually makes it pretty interesting. Howdy folks. I don't talk like that, but anyway, hope everybody's doing all right out here in 4 Peaks. I've been on this road a few times. First time I was on here I was riding quads, but it's my first time ever driving it. It's a fun trail. I really like it. It was a really unexpected trip out here, but well needed, to tell you the truth.
What's the skid plate? Weird it, man. Finish it. You did the damage. Hold on. Let drop it. Alright, man. Hit it. It's just gonna probably hit, so.
let's do 4 peaks. You know, maybe we could do an overnight camp and just something quick and easy. But yeah, it'll give us our little fix to 4. So yeah, that's where we ended up. So here we are now, running the trail. Hopefully the spot we found to camp in is available and it's not taken already. I have my daughter with me. I don't know if you can see her in the angle, but I have Mila back here with me. So it's you know, it's dad and daughter time. So I'm taking her out camping by ourselves. And yeah, so it should be a good time. You know, we have a little bit of the crew here. Unfortunately, not all of them could make it. But we gathered as many as we could. And we decided that we were going to take a chance.
Yeah, so we're doing this 4 peaks here in Arizona. I've never done it before. It's a little rough, I guess, kind of. I put some 33s a few months back. I'm gonna see if they scrape or anything. And yeah. Gonna have some fun, I guess.
My love, that is my dream. I is what I be, it's what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. I is what I be, it's what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. I is what I be, it's what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. I is what I be, it's what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. Life has its music, life has its song. Life has its music, life has its song. Life has its music, life has its songs of love.
Alright guys, we're gonna see what our camp chef is cooking. See what he's got going on. What's going on, Joel? What do you got cooking for us?
Hey guys, how's it going? So today, back by popular demand for simplicity and for flavor as well, I guess, is the Overland beef stew, as we labeled it. So yeah, it just consists of diced beef, beef broth consisting of onion, garlic, hot, obviously water. You'll use a little bit of beef bouillon. Then you want to go ahead and cook that all together, and you'll go ahead and add some hominy towards the end, and then you'll top it off with some cilantro, lemon, and some sliced jalapenos for a little bit of spice.
Awesome.
So we got going on a cold evening like today.
It is good. What do you think, Dorian?
I love it.
It's nice and
Especially after New Year's. That definitely hit the spot.
oh, it did.
Yeah, so right now we're just marinating the broth. Give it about 5 to 10 minutes on high. Just warms your soul.
What are they doing us if they're not here, F.A.Q? Why didn't you bring it? Yeah, no, we all forgot.
I forgot to bring chips, just chips.
It's about 6:30 in the morning. It has to be at least a good 30 degrees or so up here with a little bit of wind. So yeah, the first one up, and I'm up because I'm here to capture time lapse of the sun. So sacrifices we make for these videos.
Always remember, tread lightly, pack in, pack out, and keep nature wild.